Hi, this is Michael Talis with the Talis team. As we're slipping towards the end of the fall selling season, I'm going to share with you the latest Bay Area housing market news and statistics. The wrench that was thrown into the real estate market works at the end of September, beginning of October, were the mortgage interest rates. While the rates were drifting down since about a year ago pretty consistently, in the last 4 or 5 weeks, the rates moved up by 0.75%. This unexpected uptick of the mortgage rate forced some buyers to reevaluate their home purchase plans. But the housing market overall did not get affected much and continued the trends we observed since the beginning of the year. The number of new listings in Santa Clara and San Mateo counties in October increased by 25% compared with the same time of last year. With more homes listed for sale, the number of home sales increased by 15% year over year. Buyer demand remained extremely strong, and the number of new contracts last month, the number of listings going pending or contingent, jumped by a whopping 37%. Median time on the market remained unchanged for the last 3 months and was only 12 days, which means that half of the homes that came to the market were sold in 12 days or less. Bay Area perpetual housing shortage continued to drive prices up, and the median home sale price increased by 5% compared to the same period last year, and by 6% if compared with the previous month. October median home sale price in our 2 counties reached $1,657,000, only $58,000 below all-time high reached earlier in May of this year. At the time of this video, beginning of November of 2024, we're starting to see some signs of the fall selling season winding down. The number of new listings in October fell by 9% compared with September of this year, and the number of active listings, homes available for sale, fell by 8%, also month over month. This decline was consistent with usual seasonal trends, but this year these trends were amplified by the presidential election that was held just a few days ago. According to the economists at Keeping Current Matters, real estate sales usually slow down by as much as 15% in the month leading to the presidential elections. With the accelerated rate of sales and declining listing activity, the inventory dropped to 1.6 months compared to 1.9 months of inventory we experienced back in September. Keep in mind that months of inventory is a crucial metric in the real estate market. It represents the estimated number of months it would take to sell all homes on the market at the current rate of sales. It combines measurement of the supply side of the market, homes available for sale, and the demand side, speed of sales, or how many homes are getting sold in a month. At 1.6 months, the real estate market is firmly staying in the seller's territory. In the US, 6 months of inventory is considered a balanced market, and at more than 6 months supply, it becomes a buyer's market. If you're thinking about selling your home, now is still a great time to put your house on the market. All data, as well as our experience working with the Bay Area buyers and sellers, indicates that housing demand is significantly higher than availability of homes for sale. Multiple offer situations are common, and we often see homes selling above the listing price, even when only one offer is submitted. That is why the average overbid in October was 5.5%. On average, homes were selling 5.5% above the list price. And if you're a buyer, prepare to act fast when you find a home that fits your criteria and you would like to make your own. Make sure your finances are in order, including your pre-approval, assuming you need a mortgage. Try to see this home as soon as it comes to the market. Review the disclosures, do the necessary additional investigations, and write your offer. How fast you move may be the difference between negotiating with the seller one-on-one, competing with other buyers for this one-of-a-kind property, or even losing this opportunity altogether. This is Michael Talis with the Talis team. If you are thinking about buying or selling a home within a year or even 2. Let's get together on the phone or on Zoom to review what you need to do to enter the market and to complete a successful purchase or sale. My contact information is in the description of this video. Keep in mind that I'm available in the evenings and on weekends, at the times when you are off work. I am looking forward to connecting with you. Till next time.